everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm at home, and what I'm going to be doing today, I've got some of my potatoes what I want to start chitting from now. Some of them I've had for a while, and I've kept some from last year what was outside in my cupboard. I'm just going to show you what happened to those. So this is a result of last year's potatoes. As you can see, they've just sprouted. These was in a dark outside cupboard, so last year they didn't grow like this. So you can see they've got very thick things on them. So I'm wondering if I should plant these, if it's worth me planting these. I've got a box at the allotment what I can scrape out and put them in, but there's a lot in here which just sprouted. See, they've really sprouted, and these were from last year's potatoes. So let me know in the comment section, would you plant these or would you just chuck these and start over again? So I'm going to show you the potatoes, what I'm going to be growing for the next season. So let me know in the comment section what you would do with these. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so what I do when we use our eggs, I save the boxes, because you've got these trays, and you can take up to 15, some of these trays take. So I always keep these trays for chitting my potatoes. So this year, what I've got in there, some might have started chitting already, but somebody sent me these. It's some pink fir, I think they're called pink fir potatoes. So I've got quite a lot in here, well, more than I need, so I most probably give some of these away at the allotment. So you see some started chitting already, so you just want to put them upwards. So I'm just looking, I think this is about a kilo's worth of them. So you can see some have started chitting already. So you put them facing upwards. So I'm just going to put one in each cell. This is the first time I've done these ones. The pink fir, I think they're called them. So I think these are like a exotic variety. So just going to do this and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so I've got these 2 trays of the pink fir apples. Pink fir potatoes, not apples, sorry. Keep getting everything wrong today. So I'm just going to put these in my conservatory so that they get the light. Once they've started chitting, I'm going to be starting these off in buckets in my polytunnel. So that's what I'll be doing with these. Right, so the next variety what I've got are blight resistance. Well, I've got 2 varieties of blight resistance what I've got as well. I don't usually plant this amount of potatoes, so what I've got in surplus I'll just give away, so we don't really eat a lot of potatoes, and I've still got some more in packets and that. So right, so these are called acoustic, and these are meant to be one of the blight resistant potatoes. You can see they've started chitting already, so I'll just put these in as well. So these hopefully in a couple of weeks time, once the polytunnel's up, then I can get these into the ground. So most of these have started chitting already, so these shouldn't be too long to go in a bucket. So I'm going to do this one and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, the next one, what I've got now, these are Sarpomera, and these ones haven't started, well, there's some of them maybe started chitting. So what's the fact, the person that sent these to me, so these are meant to be blight resistant. Sarpomera are a bigger potato, so these I'm going to be putting on a shelf in my conservatory. I'm going to label these up. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, everybody, so I've got my pink fir, so I've got a little tag so I know, well, you would know these anywhere, so, and I've got acoustic, and I've got my sapramera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these on the shelf at my conservatory, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, everybody, so back with the potatoes again. So these are my first earlies, which is a rocket, which is a first early potato. So just going to do the same thing. These have started chitting already. I could put these straight into pots, into their buckets rather. I'll just let them go on a bit more for another couple of weeks in my conservatory, and then they're going into their buckets. Then I'll keep that bucket in a polytunnel until it's ready to go out. So that's my rockets. I'll just label these as well. And I'll just put first F, so I know that it's the first early potato. So you can see these are ready to go in the buckets. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, you can leave them in the comments section. we do get back to you on them, so we don't ignore them. We try and answer every single one of the comments. So right, so this is another this is a second early, which is a Maris pear. So I'm just going to do a label for that, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so this is a main crop, which is a Maris Piper. So I'm going to put those in the tray as well. So these ones are a lot smaller potatoes. For me, this is a lot of potatoes for me because we don't eat a lot of potatoes here. So what grows might have a couple bit of space because I haven't seen none of my elephant garlic coming through up to now. So where those are, then I most probably end up putting this these potatoes in there, but I don't really want to do no digging. So put this one on this side so I know that there's two different varieties in that one. And then I've got my last one now, which is a Charlotte. So that's what the last lot what I've got. So that's my potatoes for this year started. Then once the polytunnel's up, I take them down and then get them in their buckets, and then once the weather picks up, then I'll take the buckets out and then put the buckets outside. I'm not growing any potatoes inside my polytunnels, although you can do that, but I don't really want to plant it. I might leave a couple of buckets of the pink fir ones in there just to make sure, because I've never grown those ones before. So that's potatoes for this year. So please remember, like, share and subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section, you can do. We will get back to you on them. If you want to ask me anything about the potatoes and that, and if you want to comment on the potatoes at the beginning, if I should use those or throw them away, then you let me know. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care for now.